Alright, so welcome guys to another unboxing, and today we have photography gear for you guys. So actually here in our channel, I do want to upgrade my lighting system, and I do want to have a light maybe for some b-rolls and also some thumbnails as well. And this is actually one of the cheapest lights with an RGB that I have seen. So really interesting. This is the Ulanzi RGB light. I got this for around maybe 800 pesos or maybe under $20, so depending on maybe your country. But definitely really cheap for something like this. And what's really interesting here is from what I have seen from the photos, they do have their own lithium-ion battery, which is nice. And definitely for the price that you're paying for, having an RGB is really nice. So yes, this is the VL49 RGB mini LED video light. 25k to 9000k, actually 2000 milliamperes of battery. You have HSI control and portable as well. So this is actually very small, guys. So you're getting USB-C. Yeah, really small in this. So definitely really compact and small. So this can be something that you can use for maybe your phone as well. So build is mostly plastic, but I would say not that bad, but definitely not the most premium that I've held. And you do get a lot of hot shoe mounts here at the sides, and of course you're getting that mount for your hot shoe as well. So at the other side, you're getting some controls. You're getting the USB-C, you're getting back and the front, and maybe this is the confirm button, and maybe this is our power button, and you're getting an LED as well. So pretty minimalist in terms of the overall design. And actually, as you guys can see, there's some frosted kind of design here in front. So you cannot see the LED inside. So this might be a more of a diffused kind of light, which is definitely something that I like, especially for content creators. You don't want harsh kind of light. Maybe there you go, Ulanzi, and you're getting the white kind of light. So it's a 9000k and the 53% strength. Actually, yes, the battery is here at the right side. Yeah, actually this is pretty bright. So you can see maybe the LEDs inside. That is fairly bright for sure, but definitely not the brightness that I've seen. So from the get-go, this is kind of similar maybe to what you get with your maybe phone. That kind of brightness, definitely not the brightest. But what I appreciate here is you do get a more diffused kind of light. So this might be good, of course, if you are maybe a content creator. You don't want your harsh kind of light. There you go, different kind of color. There you go. You're getting yellow kind of color. So let's try to, there you go, change the color. You have a blue kind of color. Now you need to hold this one to change up the color. So now you're in RGB mode. So before we were in Kelvin mode, we were in white balance mode. So now you're in Kelvin mode. And let's try to, there you go, to see how much strength there is. So definitely, yes, this is not the brightest, but it's bright enough, especially if you're gonna do maybe some thumbnails. This can be cool. Do maybe 0. There you go, it's turning green now. So you have a green kind of color, you have a yellow kind of color, and you're going red now, and you're going to a magenta kind of color. So that's really cool. So yes, maybe for YouTube videos, this is what it's gonna look like. It's strong enough. So definitely here in my studio, it's strong enough. So maybe you can position your light maybe around here, away from the screen, and you're gonna get this kind of configuration. And maybe if you do have maybe two of this, maybe left and right, you can get a magenta blue kind of color going on. So yes, and again, what's nice here is, as you guys can see, it's pretty level in terms of the lighting situation. There's no hot spots, which is something that you like for your YouTube videos for sure. So let's try to close this thing. So definitely this will be an easy recommendation for me, because this is just around 800 pesos, guys, and you're getting 2 hours of battery. For this, you're getting RGB, and you're getting a pretty light and small kind of package, and the frosted as well. So you're getting a diffused kind of light. So definitely for 800 pesos, there's a lot of things going for this. Rechargeable as well. Compared to maybe the Aperture, you can spend 5,000 there compared to this one, especially if you're just gonna do some content. You have a studio, and you're gonna do a supplemental kind of light. This will be really nice on that, and I would say yes, it's worth the price that you are gonna pay for. So yeah, in my unboxing and in my usage right now, I'm pretty happy with the overall purchase. So yeah, that's our unboxing. If you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. We're gonna unbox more tech stuff, stuff that I cannot unbox in the Z Vault channel, because this is maybe too much of a niche kind of product to unbox in my Z Vault channel. So if you're into that, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next Z Vault unboxing. Goodbye.